Namaste, my friends. Welcome to this yoga routine to release lower back pain. Come towards the front of your yoga mat with your knees up. Hold on to your knees and slowly roll yourself down, one vertebra at a time. Head comes down last. So slowly lay down on your back. Bring your knees up and heels closer towards your bum. Your feet are about hip-width apart. Place your arms along your body with your palms facing down. We'll do a very subtle cat-cow pose exercise. So as you breathe in, your lower back comes off the ground, slightly arch your spine. And as you breathe out, press your lower back into the ground, rounding your lower back. So 3 more. Inhale, lower back comes off the ground, and exhale, press your lower back into the ground. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Now as you breathe in, slowly lift your hips all the way up into a bridge pose. Keep breathing, so lift your hips up towards the sky. Press your arms and palms and feet into the ground. Hold and breathe. Activate your glutes. Keep your head in the center. Take 1 more deep breath. Then slowly roll your spine down. And gently hug your knees in towards your chest. Hold on to your knees. We'll do a few pumping motions. As you breathe in, push your knees away from your body gently. And as you breathe out, bring your knees towards your chest. 3 more. Inhale. Knees move away from your upper body. And exhale, hug your knees in. Inhale. Exhale, pressing your lower back into the ground. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let's do 1 more. Breathe in and breathe out. Now hold it here for a moment. Take a deep breath. And then draw circles. Bring your knees outward, away from each other, and back together, back towards your chest. Do a few more. So pushing your knees outward and back in. And again, keep pressing your lower back into the ground. Make sure you're breathing, that your breath is flowing naturally. And slowly bring your knees back to center. Hug your knees into your chest. Maybe gently rock from side to side, or do anything that feels good for your back, that feels nourishing. And then we'll take Reclined Pigeon pose. The first option is to place your left foot on the ground, left knee is up, and place your right ankle on top of your left thigh. Flex your right foot. Second option is to bring your left knee closer, hold on to the back of your left thigh, and the last option is to hold on to your left shin. So choose the option that works best for you, and again, press your lower back into the ground. Breathe. Allow the stretch to gently open your lower back and release any tension. Take 2 deep breaths here. And then slowly release. Place your left foot on the ground and then shift your hips, lift them up and scoot them a couple of inches over to your right side for a spinal twist. Gently as you exhale, let your knees fall to your left. Left hand holds onto your right knee. Open your right arm out to the side. So your knees don't need to be super high. Just make it nourishing for yourself. Breathe into your whole spinal twist. Relax and release. Allow every breath to soften your body more and more. Find more relief and relaxation. And slowly, as you breathe in, come back to center. Knees are up, feet are hip-width apart. Keep your right foot on the ground, right knee is up, and place your left ankle on your right thigh. That's option 1 for reclined pigeon pose. The second option is to hold on to the back of your right thigh, and the last option, hold on to your right shin. Make sure your left foot is flexed. Try to relax everything you don't need. Press your lower back into the ground. And breathe into your stretch, into your lower back and hips. The longer you stay, the more relaxed you become. Allow your exhale to soften and release any tension. Take your last 2 deep breaths. And then we'll take the spinal twist. Place your right foot on the ground and scoot your hips a couple inches over to your left. Breathe out, let your knees fall to your right. Right hand can hold on to your left knee, and you can lengthen out your left arm in line with your shoulder. So make sure you feel comfortable in your supine twist. Relax and release any tension with each exhale. Allow your body to feel heavy and soft in this twisting stretch. And slowly, as you breathe in, come back to center. Align your spine. And place your heels towards the outsides of your yoga mat. Turn your big toes inward like pigeon toes. Let your knees lean against each other for constructive rest pose. And you can place your hands on your tummy and really feel your lower back pressing into the ground. Notice your breath. Notice a rise and fall of your tummy with every breath. Every time you exhale, feel your lower back getting heavier, softer. Really feel it connected with the ground. Stay here for a few more deep breaths. And then slowly roll over to your right side in a fetal position. From there, gently push yourself up and take a seat in a cross-legged position. Sit upright. Rest your hands on your knees or thighs. Close your eyes or keep a soft, steady gaze. Notice how you feel. Notice your lower back. And then we'll seal our practice together. Bring your arms out to the sides. Breathe in. Reach your arms all the way up and gather all the love, light, healing light, good health, and blessings. Exhale, unite your palms. Bring all the good health, healing light, and miracles into your whole being. Place your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Give yourself a big thank you that you took this time to stretch your body, to take care of yourself. It's my wish that this practice is a blessing to you. And thank you so much for practicing with me. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. I'm so proud of you for making it this far and allowing me to be part of your practice. Thank you so much for watching. And because you're here, I have a free gift for you. The Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is click the link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. And make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and leave me a comment, let me know what your favorite part was. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat. Bye!